Introducing the Kibosh Rapid Pipe Repair Clamp, your ultimate solution for emergency pipe repairs. Globe with Meridian's radio. Instant fix. The patented Kibosh Rapid Pipe Repair Clamp is designed for accidental perforations, burst pipes, and leaky fittings. Simply fit it around the affected area and clamp it shut. Versatile compatibility. Whether it's metal, plastic, or multi-layer pipes, the Kibosh clamp has you covered. It can even be fitted in tight spaces or clipped pipes. Water-saving hero. By swiftly stopping leaks, the Kibosh minimizes water damage. It withstands up to 10 bar, 150 psi pressure, ensuring your pipes function normally until a permanent repair can be arranged. Ideal for all trades, plumbers, builders, electricians, and DIY enthusiasts can rely on the Kibosh. Accidental pipe perforations caused by nails, drills, or other tools meet their match. Get your Kibosh Rapid Pipe Repair Clamp today and be prepared for any plumbing emergency. Up next, we have the Trend Concealed Screw Decking Jig, your go-to solution for flawless deck installations without visible fasteners. Seamless aesthetics. Say goodbye to unsightly screws. The Trend Concealed Screw Decking Jig works seamlessly with Trend's ceramic-coated deck screws, ensuring a clean, professional finish. No more distracting hardware on your beautiful deck. Accurate spacing. Built-in spacers guarantee precise board spacing, preventing overcrowding or gaps. Whether you're using wood or composite decking materials, this jig ensures uniformity and stability. Hardened Screw Guides. The 50 degrees hardened screw guides facilitate optimal screw insertion angles. This enhances strength and stability throughout your deck structure. No more guesswork, just reliable concealed fixings. Easy installation. With a built-in clamp that adjusts to various board widths, the Trend Concealed Screw Decking Jig streamlines the installation process. Get your deck project done efficiently and flawlessly. And now, introducing the LAOA Professional Leather Hole Puncher, your versatile companion for all things leather. Crafted with precision, this 3-in-1 tool is perfect for belts, watch bands, dog collars, saddles, and even shoes. Its durable aluminum body houses interchangeable punch heads, allowing you to effortlessly create holes, crimp snaps, and set eyelets. Whether you're a seasoned leatherworker or a DIY enthusiast, the LAOA Hole Puncher is your go-to solution for clean, professional results. Introducing the Flexi Trowel and FlexiFit System, a breakthrough in plastering solutions. The heart of the system, the Master Trowel, boasts a comfortable grip and a robust design. Its ergonomic handle ensures fatigue-free work, even during extended plastering sessions. Interchangeable blades. Say goodbye to carrying an array of trowels. The FlexiFit system allows you to switch between blades effortlessly. Choose from plastic blade, ideal for initial coats and spreading plaster evenly. Stainless steel blade, perfect for achieving a smooth finish on the final layer. Foam-backed blade, designed for delicate surfaces, preventing accidental scratches. Versatility. Whether you're tackling walls, ceilings, or intricate corners, the Flexi Trowel adapts seamlessly. No need to switch tools mid-task, simply swap blades and keep working. Precision and consistency. Achieve consistent results every time. The FlexiFit system ensures uniform plaster distribution, minimizing rework and saving you valuable time. Professional grade, trusted by seasoned plasterers, this system elevates your craftsmanship. From small repairs to large-scale projects, the Flexi Trowel and FlexiFit system deliver excellence. Introducing the Super Handy Compact Wood Chipper, your ultimate solution for tackling yard debris with ease. This heavy-duty 7 HP wood chipper boasts a reduction ratio of 15:1, efficiently turning branches, limbs, and garden debris into nutrient-rich mulch. Its large extended feeding chute accommodates branches up to 3 inches in diameter, while the adjustable discharge chute ensures precise debris disposal. Whether you're a professional landscaper or a serious homeowner, the Super Handy Compact Wood Chipper is your go-to tool for maintaining a pristine outdoor space.